Our task was clear. As well as the BMW adventure case that we developed and also produce, we set out to develop the world's best ever aluminum case. To achieve this, we consulted countless customers, our importers, our staff, and scores of technicians to collect as much information as possible. We wrote everything down: technical details, accessories, basic things, such as making sure that all modern helmets fit in the various case sizes and that the design criteria are correct. We brought all of this together, putting everything we could into development and production. The result is the aluminum case that we are introducing now. It was very important to us that we didn't just enclose a plastic case in aluminum sheeting, but to develop and produce a sturdy aluminum case. Among other things, this means that the seams around the lid and bottom of the case are fully welded. This gives them maximum torsional stiffness and robustness, which these components usually do not have. In this way, we created a case that is able to meet all the demands of the market, of a world tour or several world tours.
Mehrere Weltreisen auf einmal erfüllen kann.
We have a high level of in-house manufacturing here. We develop, design and produce nearly all our products ourselves in-house. Our core competence is definitely the full range of metalworking, from laser work and folding to welding and the actual assembly. Here we have, apart from a top case, a fastener. We have the catch plate, the contours here are laser cut, the edges are smooth. We have the base plate. You can also clearly see that many small parts are used: locking levers, spring elements. We manufacture all of those ourselves.
Federelemente, die werden alle von uns selbst hergestellt.
In the mid-1980s, I began building aluminum cases myself, first using flight case sections, then there were welded versions, and in this way there were a number of developments. On long trips through Africa, any weaknesses were soon discovered. You saw where there was still need for improvement. Then, in the early 90s, all of this know-how went into designing our Zega case. This is a very successful aluminum case that we will still be offering in future. But more than 15 years have passed since the early 1990s, and over this time we have accumulated more know-how from a great deal of time spent on the road and from our customers' feedback. All of this has now been incorporated into the new Zega Pro, to the point that we can say that no one has more expertise than us, and there will definitely be no better aluminum case than this new case anywhere in the world.